In this video, you will learn how to forcefully convert data of one type into another using typecasting. Let's get started. Before getting started with hands-on, let's first understand the meaning of typecasting. Typecasting is a process or a technique by which we can forcefully convert data of one data type to another. For example, if I want to convert integer to char or float value to integer or an integer value to float, it is possible to do that by using typecasting. In order to do typecasting, we need to make use of cast operator. Cast operator takes one of the following format. Here, data type can be any data type which we desire to convert the expression to. If we want to convert the expression to int, we will have to specify int data type. Similarly, if we want to convert the expression to boolean value, we need to specify bool data type. Expression can be any valid expression or a variable or a constant value. Here is an example of typecasting. Here, I am using typecasting to explicitly convert float value to integer. This cout statement will display integer value 67. Here is another example. Here, I am using another form of typecasting wherein I am enclosing the expression within round brackets. In this example, I am forcefully converting integer value 108 to bool. We know that any non-zero number is considered as true. Hence, this expression will be converted to true and this cout statement will display value 1 on the output screen. If you're finding value in this video, could you please support this channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button? Let's do some hands-on. I have opened Visual Studio Code and created a CPP file. I will declare a double variable named sum and assign some value to it. I will go here and type double sum equals to 10.19, ending the statement with semicolon. In the next line, I will type cout within round brackets int followed by sum, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, I am using typecasting. I am forcefully converting value of sum to an integer value. Note that this is a temporary conversion. Using typecasting on a variable will not change the value or data type of that variable. This entire expression will return an integer value, which can then be displayed on screen using cout statement as shown here. After execution of this cout statement, the data type and value of sum will still remain the same, that is double value 10.19. I will write another cout statement to demonstrate this. I'll go to the next line and type cout sum equals to sum, ending the statement with semicolon. If I run this program, the first cout statement will convert the value of sum to int and display the value 10 on the output screen. And the second cout statement will display original value of sum, that is double value 10.19. I will run the code. If you see here, this program correctly displayed value 10 and 10.19 on the output screen. If you are still here, can you please click on the like and subscribe button? Now, let's try another variant of typecasting. I will now enclose variable sum within round brackets. I will go here and update it. Int within round brackets sum. This form should also work perfectly fine. I will run the code. If you see here, this program displayed 10 and 10.19 on the output screen, which is as expected. I will now delete these lines of code and type char alphabet equals to capital A, ending the statement with semicolon. And in the next line, I will type cout within round brackets int alphabet, ending the statement with semicolon. This expression should convert character capital A to integer value. Capital A has an ASCII value of 65. ASCII value is an integer representation of characters. I have added a link to the ASCII table in the description of this video. This cout statement should convert capital A to int value 65 and display 65 on the output screen. I will run the code. If you see here, this cout displayed value 65 on the output screen.